Sensibly Frugal Living. I've got a day in the life video for you. I'm off work, I've got the day to myself, so I'm going to be pottering about. First I wanted to show you that all my essential oils have been used up. I have used my last candle. This is the one my daughter gave me, and now I'm on to my wax warmer. This is my wax warmer. It's one my mum got me for my birthday one year, and it's a Scentsy one, so it's expensive. I've got some of the wax melts. As you know, I've got loads of wax melts. That's why I'm not buying any more candles or essential oils now. I'm using up wax melts, and this is so pretty. Love it. So that's what I've got burning today. This is a wax melt that my daughter didn't want. Unicorn Sparkle, cotton candy, powdered sugar, vanilla and ice cream soda. It might be a bit sweet for me, but we shall see. I popped down to the charity shop because I was going to Pound Stretcher. I needed to get some things that I knew were cheaper there than in Tesco's for my budget grocery haul. You'll see that in another video, maybe before this one, maybe after, I'm not sure. But I did stop in the charity shop, and I'm going to tell you why. I only went in the charity shops to look for work trousers. Well, these, £2, they fit me perfectly. Absolute bargain, right? They don't have pockets. I mean, I can wear them out. You know, everyone needs a pair of smart trousers. They fit lovely. They look lovely. No pockets, and I need pockets for work because I keep certain keys and things in my pockets at work. Yeah, so I'm not very happy about that. I should have checked for the pockets, but you know, we live and learn. I picked these up in the same charity shop. They're 50p. They're meant to be like little like party bags. Well, they were in the party bag section, but I thought they would be good. Hang on. To put in, like, if I make little creations with my cross stitch, my sewing things I do, to put them in there, and that's the wrapping for it for 50p. But yeah, I didn't want to leave them there because I know that I can make use of them, and that's a good gift wrap option. Now I thought this would be a great gift. It was £2.50. It's a friends and family card planner. Gustav Klimt, I love his paintings, but anyway, look, there's cards. Obviously there were some more cards in each one, I'd say, but there's still some cards left. It's not been used. You write your birthdays in and you can plan ahead, and you know I like planning ahead. And it's got a dress book in the back, and I thought for £2.50, what a lovely gift to me, because now I've got it home, I really want it. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna plan ahead and put cards in each month, but there's beautiful cards in there. Oh, I just love it. So excuse me, I had to sneeze. But yeah, this is right on my street. Yeah, this is staying with me. Sorry, gift stash, that one's for me. And then I was walking up the road to come home, and there was another charity shop. I don't tend to go in it. Number one, because I think the things are really overpriced, when there's others that are similar. You know when a charity shop has a vibe, and it's either jumble sale vibe or like high street shop vibe, but this is like jumble sale vibe. I love jumble sale vibe charity shops because they're usually cheaper. The other ones I visit are much cheaper than this one, but they're just overpriced. And the toys, oh my goodness, like we don't even look in there now, very rarely go in there. So this was in a box outside. There was a free box because you know they can't sell like helmets and stuff because they don't know if they've been in an accident and things like that. It was full of helmets and old drink bottles and things that they can't sell for whatever reason. So this is obviously not selling. It's quite old-fashioned for wallpaper. Look, brand new, it's like still in its packaging. And I thought, you know what? If this is free, I'm having it. Double checked, it was definitely free. Brilliant for wrapping paper or for lining like cupboards and drawers. I was very happy with that. 2 freebies, and I'll show you how I use it. Maybe not today, but oh, rain's coming down. I've just missed that by mere minutes. That has made my day that I've missed that rain because I walked. But yeah, when I come to use it, I will show you what I do with it. I have filled it up already with cards for the rest of this year and next year. There are still some I have to buy, But yeah, I love this. Look. Absolutely love it. I'm glad I've kept it for myself. The next task of the day is to get all of this washing done. Why hasn't it been folded? Because I'm having to focus my energy, like all my energy elsewhere at the moment, and the laundry is kinda getting left. I'm just about managing to wash it and dry it. I'm using the tumble dryer a lot. You could probably hear it in the background because it's been raining. I'm getting behind anyway with the clothes area, and I've just had to use the tumble dryer quite a bit today, but you know, that's the chapter we're currently in. And I'm going to sit down now and I'm going to watch some telly, and I'm going to forget all of this folded because it will make me feel better. But yeah, it's a lot. I haven't been able to film so many long form videos either, so a lot of shorts have been going out lately, if you've noticed that. But you know, I'm trying to keep the content coming, but like I said, all my energy is focused elsewhere at the moment. And I went to sit down and do this, and then there was a bang 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 on the door. My son was playing in the back garden with his friend, the little girl from like next door but one. Yeah? Hang on, my son's shouting. Oh, he's hungry. Pepperoni? Yeah, alright. Anyway, I've just got him a pepperoni. He's watching some kids' YouTube at the moment, chilling out, because like I said, there was a knock at the door, like bang, bang, bang. They were in our garden and they run across to the gardens, just into her garden, and then they run back, and me and her mum just sort of have the window open, we listen, bang, bang, bang. She's knocking at the door. She said my son's hurt himself. He won't tell her what's wrong. So as we were walking down my garden, he was at the bottom, sat there crying, not answering me when I was asking him what was wrong. And she said, he was on my back and he went over the top of me. So I was like, okay, so what's happened? And he said he landed on his face. And he had landed on his face. Luckily kind of to the side, because I think he would have broke his nose. He's got a graze, well, I say a graze, it's just quite red, nose, cheek, eyelid. He feels like he's got fat lips, so he's had a cold compress on that. And now I'm going to sit down and actually do this. He's fine now, he's eating. I'm not someone who likes things to get on top of me or to be playing catch up. So I like to be on top of the washing and the cleaning and like finances. I don't like playing catch up with finances. And this whole month seems to be just very chaotic and a lot of energy needed elsewhere. But I'm looking at the laundry pile and I'm saying, at least I've got them washed and dried, right? So I've done that. That is an achievement. And then I've just sat down. I put Sort Your Life Out on because I love watching those. And there's some series I haven't watched, so I'm like sort of catching up there, but I don't mind that. I like having extra series to watch or extra episodes to watch. But I'm watching it and it gives me the itch to like start sorting stuff out. But I know that I don't have the time or anything to do that at the moment. I'm like, oh, I could sort out my cupboards. And I think I might do like one thing every so often. Like not think I'm going to do a whole deep clean and not get around to it, because then you feel like you failed. But if you like set yourself the challenge of like cleaning out, I've got like a Tupperware and lunchbox cupboard that is really messy. If I set myself that to do, especially when I'm really busy and just don't have the mental capacity for a lot of work, that when I achieve that, then it's an accomplishment, isn't it? And you feel better in yourself. And that's exactly how I felt getting all this laundry sorted and just seeing it off the floor. So it looks like a mess, but it is organised chaos. I need to get these delivered to the relevant people's bedrooms and then they can deal with it. Apart from my son, I do put his away and mine. But everybody else's needs to go to the rooms. The final thing I'm going to do is save these bananas because they're sat in the fruit bowl and one of them had a split in it and I didn't realise, and it went all furry around it, and I don't want to waste any more. So they won't get eaten. I know a lot of people like their bananas like this. We like ours just turned from green. But anyway, these are going to go in the freezer and I might use it in banana bread and stuff. We shall see. It's just I don't want to waste it. There we go. Not a lot, just 2 small bananas, but it's better in my freezer than in the food waste, isn't it? Oh, and I watch Bradley on a Budget, and I've seen him like doing something on his face with banana peels, like rubbing it on his face, doing like a skincare routine. I mean, I'm not doing that right now. I don't fancy whacking a banana on my face, but what's behind that? Like, is it good for your face? banana skin or the inside of it. I'm going to look into that. Who knows, you might see me doing a banana skin thing. But yeah, I do like Bradley on a budget. So these are going in the freezer. This is going in the food waste for now. Watch this space, I might slap it on my face soon. I'm not even joking. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Even if you just leave an emoji, it helps the algorithm. Thanks guys, I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you next time.